Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela Halverson, your Las Vegas realtor. We are in a home where Joe Louis and Johnny Carson once lived, built in 1961 in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada. This home features a pool, RV parking, and is located in a private cul-de-sac. Before we go ahead and take this tour, go ahead and like and subscribe for more home tours with me. Even though it's a windy day, it's not going to stop me from showing you this home. This has a side entrance to your backyard over here, and this would be your front entryway and your RV parking over there on that side. You still have plenty of parking to park your car over here as well. We're going to be going ahead inside the home since it's so windy. I like how colorful this door is. As you're going to see, there is color accents throughout the home. They even put like a little stardust wallpaper, which is iconic for old Las Vegas. As we step inside, we're gonna first be headed into our front room of the home. There is plenty of natural lighting. I love how they did the renovations. This home is completely renovated, down to the electrical, plumbing, and even the pool, okay? I really love how they did that. All these renovations. We're gonna be headed into our first bedroom. This home is 4-bed, 4.5 bath with 3,500 square feet on a 1/4 acre lot. And we're gonna be headed into the bathroom of the home. I like the gold hardware throughout this home and this bathroom. Look at the black wall with the gold accents. Plenty of space on a 3/4 bath. And of course, we have our walk-in closet attached to the bathroom, but also from this side too. If you want to add any built-ins, you totally can. And we have our laundry room over here with our guest bathroom. Love it. You put your washer and dryer over here. This is a bifocal barn door, and we have plenty of space. That is a cabinetry that was added in the renovations. We have our quartz countertops with the quartz backsplash and our wine fridge in the home. And that is mahogany-like wood for the cabinetry. This is our formal dining space. Look how spacious this is, but we still have separation. Of course, my favorite part of any home, like besides the walk-in closets, is a nice kitchen. Look at the kitchen. I like how spacious this is. Plenty of room to be cooking, to be hosting, make drinks, whatever you need. This has the mahogany-like wood cabinetry and our stainless steel appliances and our quartz countertops. Just amazing. And of course, this is our formal living room. Love a nice living room. And the fireplace is gas and is original to the home. Again, this is built in 1961. Just the tiling that's just the only part that is new in the home. We're gonna be headed into the other 3 bedrooms of the home. This is our second bedroom. Look how fun and spacious this is. They added a accent wall with that orange reddish color, and we have another walk-in closet and our bathroom. Again, I love the renovations here, and I like the green and how they stuck to a mid-century modern, 1960s kind of renovations, but they still kept it, modern. And we're gonna be headed into our 3rd bedroom of the home. This one does not have an ensuite, so I would say 3 of the bedrooms have ensuites with the closet. This one doesn't, but of course you have the bathroom right across the hall just for yourself. And again, this is beautifully renovated, and I do like that green tiling. That's really nice. Beautiful. With the his and her sinks. Our final bedroom in this home before we go ahead and take a tour of the backyard. This is our 4th bedroom. I love how they put the blue, little accent, little color in here. And I like how they didn't renovate it to be all white, gray, and black. They added a little color to it. And this is one of my favorite bathrooms in this home. This is a full bath with that his and her sink and the shower. Love the shower with the standalone tub. Look at this. We love it here. And for reference, this home does have vaulted ceilings throughout. I am 5'1". For reference, this is about 8 to 12 foot ceilings in this home. We're gonna be headed into the backyard. Of course, everything is renovated in this backyard with the pool and the pool deck as well. Look how nice this is. Pretty spacious. Again, no HOA. If you wanted to build like a casita, if you wanted to add anything additional, you totally can. And of course, we have our padded patio. We have our covered patio, covered patio in this home. I love this. Even on a windy day, still a beautiful home. Love the accent color in this home. If you are interested in a private tour, or if you're interested in buying or selling a home here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and you want more details, go ahead and contact me, Angela Halverson, your Las Vegas Realtor.